Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name all right. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pangestu Muhammad. I'm from class C afternoon. My name is 322010085. And for today's occasion, I would like to present my video about thesis statement that given by Mem Eli Shahadati for the practicum speaking academic purposes. And for the thesis statement that I will present, it's not from me, but it's from one of the graduates from IKI PGRI Pontianak by the name of Ferawati. The name is 521100254 by the title of The Effectiveness of Using Comic Strips in Teaching Vocabulary. As a foreign language, there are many problems found in teaching and learning English class. Some of the problems are caused by the lack of vocabulary that students have. Besides the students, the teacher also has an important role. The teacher demands to be creative by using an interesting media, such as comic strips, to make students more interested in learning. Next is the problems. How effective is comic strips media in teaching vocabulary to students? The purpose is to find out, is comic strips effective to teaching vocabulary? All right, without further ado, let's jump into the main point. All right, the importance of vocabulary in English language teaching. As an international language, English is the important language to learn. In order to be able to use English, the first thing that student must have is much of vocabulary. If students have more vocabulary, then the students also can express more of their idea. In addition, if someone often use that language, they will be master of it. To learn English, the student have to learn vocabulary. First, as a beginner, it's not easy, but if the students start by the right way, it will be not difficult. We learn the vocabulary one by one. It will be easier to start learn English as a foreign language. Two, vocabulary plays the important role in developing the four skills such as speaking, reading, writing, and listening, which all of the skills is needed. Vocabulary in each usage of it. From my statement above, we can conclude that vocabulary is the prime component of language. That's why if we want to master of language, in this case it's English, we have to learn from the vocabulary first. Then we can express our language in speaking, writing, reading, and listening by using the vocabulary that we have. Next, I want to tell about the comic strips. Comic strips, as McLeod said in 1993, say that comic is a vessel which can hold any number of ideas and images. In the definition of the comic itself is juxtaposed pictorial in other images in deliberate sequence intended to convey information and or to produce an aesthetic response to the viewer. It is fairly interesting because the viewer can be the reader all at once. It means that the reader can read the words or information while looking the images. Comic strips is a kind of comic, but with short interrelated panels. Comic strips is contains of humor or a form of narrative story, often serialized with text in balloon and caption. The strips may focus on the same character in its strips. This comic it's generally appear in daily magazine or newspaper. So if you somehow read a magazine or newspaper, you will see at the bottom of the newspaper, usually there is a little bit of comic strips. It sometimes contains humor and such things. But for nowadays, the comic strips usually also appear on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and etc. Next, comic strip is a visual learning media picture form as a visual learning media. In the picture form, As a visual media, comic strips can help students to imagine the learning material types of comic strips. Next, there are four types of comic strips. One, totally self-contained. Each panel or set of picture is totally independent of the previous or future panel. Two, quasi self-contained. The panel is basically self-contained and can be understood without reference to the previous days or the following day's strip. Three, the short Aegis eyes. In the short sequence, it is necessary for the reader to follow the strip for a number of days to determine the point. Often there is little humor in this type of strip, but rather one finds a mystery or adventure story being unfolded, which is supposed to maintain reader interest at high level. 4. The continuous sequence. There doesn't seem to be any real crisis or climax for this, with the situation being resolved and a new sequence being started. As in a shorter sequence, the reader is taken through the daily life of characters almost without beginning or end. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. Next, the procedure of using comic strips in teaching vocabulary. Here is the example of the comic strips. Stop, look at your face. I haven't slept in 3 days because of this presentation. Please get some sleep. Yeah, you're right. And it's the humor. So for the procedure of using comic strips in teaching vocabulary is 1. Introduce about the material such as what is noun, verb, and adjective. 2. The students mention the example of noun, verb, and adjective. 3. The researcher gave an example of comic strips to the students and asked them to observe the sentence in comic strips. 4. The students mention the word related to noun, verb, and adjective they're found in the comic strips. 5. The researcher divided the students into 5 or some groups for an assessment. 6. Each group gets a sheet of a comic strip / the researcher and the student discuss together about this assessment to be more understand about the material that this teacher gave. Next, the difference, strength and weakness. Strength and weakness. Strength and weakness of comic strip as learning media. Strength. I want to tell about the strength first. The strength is the main role from comic is the ability to create students' interest. 2. Guiding interest in reading that draws on learner. 3. By teaching guidance, comic function as the media to grow up the student interest in reading. 4. Comic enlarge vocabulary of the reader. 5. Can evolve the student's reading and other study skills. 6. Entire of the comic story is aimed to goodness or other learning. Now, from the strength, there are also a weakness. The weakness is teacher must using potential motivation from comic, but do not stop when the reading interest has risen up. The comic must be continued. 2. Too easy reading comics makes the reader lazy to read book without picture. Generally, each media has their own weakness. To cover the weakness of this media, the researcher will take some ways such as give motivation for students and try to make them interest in and enjoy the learning purposes. Next, the conclusion. So, based on the explanation above, the researcher concluded that teaching vocabulary competence by using comic strips in teaching is effective. Why? Because some research says that people or students will be more pay attention if there is something that they like or something interesting, such as these comic strips. You know, some old ways are just random text or just a text that we told to learn by reading it. Can you imagine how boring is that? Like just a paragraph full of word that we told to read, it's so boring. We sometimes doesn't remember what we read because it's too boring. But using comic strips, we can more focus on the picture, and by reading it, it will be more effective. The researcher of this thesis, Mrs. Ferawati, has been proved by implementing these methods in, if I recall, it's Saint Mary Joseph, third grade. Mrs. Ferawati is implementing these methods, and the result shows that it is effective. That I say in the conclusion, it's very effective because it makes the students' ideas and creativity rising up, and the reading is more good, and it improves the reading skills, writing, and speaking skills because of using these comic strips. So we can conclude that this method is very good and very effective. Also, it is the more modern ways, I think, than the old ones are too boring. At least for me, it's from my 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 opinion. All right, I think that is all from me. I am Pangestu Muhammad. I'm sorry if there is mistaken word. I am Pangestu Muhammad. My name is 322010085. Until next time, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Signing out.